Hello, this is Chad. Today I thought I would show you one of my favorite mods for my GoPro Hero 8 Black. It's Ulanzi G8-7. This is a battery compartment door that has a cutout for the USB-C port. This allows you to be able to charge your GoPro or to use an external mic. To use this, you simply just unlock your battery cover, push up on the door, and it'll pop off. If you own a GoPro Hero 8, you know this happens all the time. So to put the new one on, you just it has two clips on either side, and you clip that to the pivot pin like that. And then you just shut the door and lock it in place like your existing battery cover. And now your USB-C port is exposed and you can plug in your cable for charging or an external mic. One thing you want to be careful with when I first put it on is I didn't clip one of the sides on, and it was only half clipped and the other one wasn't on all the way, so it wouldn't clip in. So you just want to make sure that it's seated properly on both sides. Other than that, it works perfect. One thing to note is this is no longer waterproof with this cover on, as you have the cutout for the USB port, so water can get in here. You just want to be careful if you're going to be around water. You want to make sure you have on your original door. It's easy to put on and off. Time will tell how well this lasts. It's made out of aluminum alloy. One thing you may not like is that it does have the manufacturer's name and part number on it. I think you could scratch that off if you wanted to. I'll put down in the description to let you know if I have any problems with it. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.